Get ready, because 2024 just got a whole lot more interesting for phone enthusiasts. Google's big hardware event is coming up on August 13th, and there's a lot to unpack about the upcoming Pixel 9 series. Leaks, as usual, seem to have spilled the beans, or should I say pixels, on the design of these new phones, and it looks like Google is stepping up their game in a big way. Let's dive right in and see what these leaks have revealed. First up, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Remember the first Pixel Fold? It wasn't exactly known for folding completely flat. Well, these leaked prototypes show a big improvement. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold finally unfurls like a champ. This might seem like a minor detail, but for foldable phones, a flat screen is crucial for a seamless user experience. Another exciting leak is the possibility of a less noticeable crease. Let's be honest, a crease can be a real deal breaker for some people, myself included. It disrupts the flow when swiping and just feels off. The leak suggests the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might have a significantly reduced crease, making the screen feel more natural. While it's hard to tell from images just how much of an improvement it is, here's to hoping it at least rivals the Galaxy Z Fold 6. On top of that, we're also hearing rumors about slimmer bezels and a redesigned camera bar on the back. The outer screen display ratio seems to be holding strong too, making it a great option for comfortable one-handed use when folded. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold design is shaping up nicely, and I can't wait to see it in person. Now let's talk about the Pixel 9 Pro. The leaked prototypes, along with Google's own teaser, hint at a design shift that's music to my ears: flat edges. Remember the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Those flat edges were a game changer in terms of aesthetics and feel. The leaked Pixel 9 Pro design gives me a similar vibe, and I'm absolutely here for it. Let's talk about the camera bar. When Google first introduced it on the Pixel 6, I was a huge fan. It was a bold design statement that made the Pixel stand out. But let's face it, after a while, the camera bar became a little, boring. It lost its spark. The good news is, elite prototypes show the Pixel 9 Pro is revamping the camera bar. It looks sleeker, more sophisticated, and it complements those beautiful flat edges perfectly. Unlike the Pixel 8, the camera bar sits flush on the back instead of wrapping around the edges. This is a definite visual upgrade in my book. And of course, I can't forget about the big guy, the rumored Pixel 9 Pro XL. This phone is supposedly coming with a massive 6.7 or 6.8-inch display. As a self-proclaimed screen size enthusiast, you know I'm excited about this. The Pixel 9 Pro XL essentially positions itself as the medium-sized iPhone Pro option. This is perfect for those who find the standard Pro a bit too big and crave that premium Pro experience in a more manageable size. Google offering choices based on size is a smart move in my opinion. Let's be honest, the past few years haven't been the most exciting for smartphone design, but 2024 seems to be a breath of fresh air. We've seen impressive upgrades with the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, whispers of a futuristic iPhone 16 Pro Max design, and now these Pixel 9 leaks with their focus on design improvements. As a tech enthusiast, what's not to love? With Google's event on August 13th approaching, the hype is definitely real. I can't wait to see the official unveiling of these beautiful and modern-looking Pixel phones. And who knows, maybe there will be even more surprises in store. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser-focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this: a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware, thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GHz. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS, a dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice: raise prices across the board or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops. This chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure: the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.